Hello, ma'am. I am Jillian Shane Rivera from BSIT 1D, the tree sorting algorithm. First is the selection sort. Selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly finds the minimum element from unsorted part of the list and put at a beginning. Next, this is the initial array: 28, 10, 2, 7, and 1. Swap the minimum element with the first element of the unsorted part. The list become 1, 8, 10, 2, 7, and 20. Swap the minimum 2 with the first element of the unsorted part, 8. The list become 1, 10, 8, 7, and 20. Repeat unsorted part, 8 and 10, 20. Minimum is 8. Is already in the correct position. So no swap is needed. Repeat unsorted part is 10 and 20. Minimum 10. No swap needed. And this is the list is now sorted. 1, 2, 7, 8, 10, and 20. Next, the bubble sort. Bubble sort is a basic sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through a list, compare adjacent elements, and swap them if they are in the wrong order. This is the first iteration: 8, 20, 10, 2, 7, and 1. 20 and 8, kailangan natin siya i-swap because malaki ang 20. 8, 10, 20, and 2, 7, 1. Swap natin ang 20 and 10 dahil malaki ang 20. 8, 10, 2, 20, 7, and 1. 20 and 2 greater than ang 20. Kaya nasa third position siya. 8, 10, 2, 7, and 20. Swap natin ang 20 and 7. Ngayon ay nasa likod na siya ng 7. 8, 10, 2, 7, 1, 20. Swap natin ang 20 and 1. Magiging nasa hulihan na siya. Ngayon, yan ang first iteration. Second iteration is 8, 10, 2, 7, 1, and 20. Ganon din. Iso-swap natin siya into greater than. So, 8, 2, 10, 7, and 1, and 20. Ganon din. Swap natin ang 10 and 2. Magiging 8, 2, 10, 7, and 1. And then, ganon din. 8, 2, 7, 10, and 1. Iso-swap ang 10 and 7 dahil malaki ang 7. Magiging 8, 2, 7, 10, 1, 20. Pagkatapos nun, 8, 2, 7, 10, 1, 20. Iso-swap na naman natin ang 10, 20. The third iteration, ganun din ang gagawin nyo. 8, 2, 7, 1, 10, 20. Ifa-follow nyo lang ang second iteration, ganun din ang gagawin nyo. 8, 2, 7, 1, 10, and 20. Magiging swap sila ng 8 and 2. Pagkatapos is 2, 7, 8, 10. Swap ang 7 and 1. Magiging 2, 7, 8, 1, and 10. Ganun lang din ang gagawin ninyo. Isoswap lang ang magkasunod na number. And this is the fourth iteration. Ganun lang din ang gagawin nyo. 2, 7, 1, 8, 10, 20. iswaswap natin ang 2 and 7. Magiging 2, 1, 7, 8, 10, 20. At pagkatapos nun is iswaswap naman ang 1, 2, 7, 8, 10, 20. The final sort is array is 1, 2, 7, 8, 10, 20. Yan ang final sort natin. Heap sort. Heap sort is an efficient comparison-based sorting algorithm with the time, complexity of, in all cases, best average and worst. The initial array is unsorted list is 28 and 271. The remaining step, how the process extracting the maximum element, the root of the heap. The largest element 20 is removed. The remaining elements are 10, 8, 7, 2, 1. The list split into 20 sort portion and the 10, 8, 7, 2, 1 unsorted heap. The largest element of the remaining heap is 10 removed, and the heap build the sort portion because 20, 10 and unsorted portion because 8, 7, 2. The final sorted array 1, 2, 7, 8, 10